Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Jane Info. I hope you will be fine. This time talk about Tumse Tum Tak. Spoilers 15 May 2026. Will Anu and Arya Vandan's engagement get cancelled after she faints during ceremony? Another chaotic turn is waiting to bring complication in the life of Anu and Arya Vardhan. If you want to know what happens in the next episode, then read on by Loveleen Kaur, updated on 14 May 2026. Tumse Tumtak was released in 2025 and since then it has become one of the most loved TV shows. The high-octane drama and entertainment given to the audience always bring the soap opera to the top 10. If you have been eager to know what new twists and turns will affect Anu and her partner Arya Vardhan's life, then read on. Anu and her partner Aryavardhan's union hangs by a thread after a mysterious incident. Tumse Tum Tak is turning out to be dramatic with every passing episode after grappling with the complications of finding the rupees 9 lakh heirloom of Gayatri. Anu was about to take a sigh of relief and enjoy her pre-wedding function with Aryavardhan. The celebrations for their engagement began on a joyous note, but the happiness is short-lived as Anu starts experiencing stage flashes and unsettling memories during the ceremony. Just as the release are about to be completed, the female lead feels overwhelmed by visions from the past and suddenly faints, bringing the function to an abrupt halt. Concerned by the situation, Gopal revealed to Arya and Gayatri and that Anu has been facing these unexplained episodes every Ashtami. As Gayatri tries to understand the reason behind Anu's condition, shocking connections from the past begin to unfold, hinting at a deeper mystery linked to Rajnandani's death. In less than a year, Tumse Tum Tak managed to take over the TV screens of the Indian audience with its mature love story. The romantic drama television series is produced by Prateek Sharma under Studio LSD Private Limited. Apart from Niharika Choksey and Sharad Kelkar, the remake of Zee Marathi's TV series Tola Pahitri also features Vandana Pathak, Jolly Chawla, Manraj Singh, Agar Hazija, and many others. On this week's TRP rating list, the show has made its way to the top 5, beating operas like Ekta Kapoor's Nagin 7, Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai, and Ropel Ganguly's Anupama. For more updates, stay tuned to Pink Villa. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.